What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The weather is getting better here in Virginia. I mean, it's warmer out. I can start working on my car more. We can start modifying it with more tasteful modifications. I've recently cleaned my car. It's been like a month of non-stop rain and it was just terrible. This thing was so sad looking, but I mean, it looks better apart from all the dents and scratches from years of abuse. So it looks good. Right? It needs a lot of work. So I ordered something to replace my old emblem because that thing is faded, it's destroyed, it's missing paint in areas. So we're gonna take that one off today and replace it with this. So should be a lot better than what we have right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So for this kind of job, you're gonna need some kind of heat source, whether it's a heat gun or hair dryer. We went with the Revlon, you know, some quality hair dryer. You're gonna need the parts, of course. Goo Gone or some kind of like chemical to get rid of the extra adhesive from the glue that's holding this on. Alcohol to clean up the goo off, to make sure it has a proper mating surface. Tape just to tape off the area or your tools so you don't scratch your paint, things like that. And rags to help clean up. So I'm gonna get all this set up and then we're gonna start burning that off and the one on the front. Oh, so the one on the back is, you know, the upgraded Genesis logo, but the one on the front, it says Hyundai. Still coming to terms with that. Yep, still coming to terms with that. Okay, so we're gonna burn them off and upgrade them. All right, let's get it. All right, so we had to move locations because that power source over there did not work, and this one does. So I'm gonna heat up this emblem, try to get the glue malleable, I think is the right word to say. And then hopefully it just comes right off. If not, we'll probably pry it off. You can use like fishing line or floss or pretty much anything to kind of get underneath it. So we have screwdrivers, we have interior tools, you know, things like that to just try and get underneath it. So I'm gonna heat it up real quick and we'll see if it comes off. Also, on a side note, if you use a heat gun, it's probably gonna heat up your paint real quick, so you want to kind of keep it moving back and forth. Hair dryer, I don't think it's hot enough to destroy the clear coat, but we're gonna keep it moving regardless. It's already coming off. Yeah. Alright, so that emblem came off pretty easy. I'm gonna get rid of all this glue stuff that it left behind. And yeah, it's already pretty much coming off. So I'm gonna grab a rag I don't care about, and we're gonna see. Hopefully this comes off pretty easily. Stream. Really easy. At least most of it did. Alright, I'm gonna keep working at this. I'll show you when it's done, hopefully. So we pretty much got it almost all off. There's just a little remnants and things behind left, like right up here and a little down here. But the Goo Gone pretty much just takes all that stuff off. I would totally, instead of a microfiber, recommend, word vomit, a more coarse towel, something that's a little bit thicker and tougher, something that you probably wouldn't use on your car paint because it'll like scratch it, but I mean, it's coming off, and then we're gonna clean the area with alcohol to get all the Goo Gone off, so it has a clean, dry mating surface. It's not oily or slick like car wax or anything like that. That the new emblem will adhere to. It's gonna look good, right? Better than, oh, wrong shit. Better than that. Alright, I'm gonna keep cleaning it. It's almost done. Bye. Alright, so we got all the glue off. I don't know if those scratches were from me when I was trying to pry the glue off or from the previous owner when he did this emblem, so we're not gonna worry about it. You can see there's like some sun damage. Well, maybe you can see. There's like some sun damage from like where the old emblem was from over time. I guess that's kind of inevitable. But yeah, all the glue is gone. You can rub your finger over it and touch it. Make sure there's like no glue, no residue left. It's a clean, smooth surface. And I'm gonna clean this area with alcohol so all this Goo Gone you see is gone. And then put the new emblem on. Alcohol, towel. That's clean. I don't have nails, I can't get it. Oh. There we go, that's better. We're gonna lean into it for a hot minute. Actually, I think it's stuck. What do you guys think? Is that straight? Looks straight. Looks good. Look at that. Oh man, that looks really good. Huh. Yeah. I'm gonna heat it up and just kind of push on it a little bit just to kind of like meld it to the surface a little bit more. And then we'll move to the front. Hell yeah, one side down. Sweet. So this side should be a little bit easier because, I mean, it's a stock emblem. They don't have as much glue as the aftermarket one. So this one should come off pretty easily. But that, I'm gonna take that with a grain of salt. So, all right, let's heat it up. Okay, so This one was held in by clips, and apparently my GoPro decided to go to photo mode. I guess I accidentally touched it. I don't know, probably. So we popped this bad boy off, and somehow it came out in one piece. Pretty surprised about that. But that means we don't have to worry about glue, so we're just gonna clean this up and slap the new bad boy on. Whew, sweet. All right. Okay, I'm fine. Alright, so the GoPro battery was low, so I changed that out. Now I'm gonna peel this off. My fingers weren't so cold and I had some nails. Okay, well. Unsticker thing. Oh shit. Should have done the middle first. Ah, come on. Oh, the struggle bus. Oh, it's happening. Super struggle. Come on. I don't have nails. Oh, got it. Okay. All right. So now we're just gonna. I gotta get low for this. Oh, there we go. Okay. Very tight fit. So both sides are in. I'm gonna heat it up and meld it a little bit. Okay, so super snug fit. It's gonna be very tight here and very tight over here, but you just kind of bend it and it just pops right in, and then all the glue is sitting flush. Okay, so. And just like that, it's on there. Cold. All right, hell yeah. Let's take a look. Yeah, so it was getting caught on the lip from the grill right here, and so you just gotta like push it in there and make sure it's level. So there's a little space here, a little space here, that's pretty much lined up. Hell yeah. So we changed out the emblems on the car, and I think they look great. Yeah, I think they look really good. So, whew. And then we got the rear. Cue the montage. All right, so they did give us a couple extra stickers. Can't speak. Where are they? And this is for my steering wheel. And so, you're not supposed to take that emblem off. It's just supposed to kind of like sit over top of it. I think it's a nice little touch. Kind of cheesy, but I'm gonna put it on anyways because it doesn't say Hyundai. So I'm gonna clean this with alcohol and then I'm gonna put a sticker on it and then, oh boy. Damn you. Apply pressure. Apply less pressure. A little more. Yeah, because this sticker is like, you know, it's concaved and it's supposed to sit over the emblem, so hopefully probably gonna heat this up and make sure the glue adheres to it nicely. Heat up everything, that's okay. And it's kind of popping off. It's not really staying. I'll just keep applying pressure. Oh, my check engine light's back in case you noticed. Alright, and then it's got a little protective film on it, and boom, we're done. Alright. So we swapped out the emblems. Pretty easy job. There's no glue on the front one, so that's easy. You just snap that thing right off and it'll probably come into pieces, depends on how brittle it is. Swapped out the rear. They look 100 times better than what they were. The old one was faded and it's just terrible looking. And the front one, it said Hyundai, so we definitely had to get rid of it. And now the steering wheel, that was the easiest one. That took a whole 10 seconds. Hell yeah, and that does it for this video. I'd like to thank you guys all for watching my videos, the likes, the comments, the subscribes. I really appreciate it. Yeah, stay tuned for more mods. I'm really trying to look into like events around here in Virginia, but there's really not much going on because of the whole apocalypse. But yeah, we'll find something to do. But yeah, stay tuned for more content, and peace out, guys. Take it easy. You know what I just realized? We're now driving a Genesis. I feel expensive. I'm gonna go buy some champagne. Yeah, maybe a Ferrari while I'm at it.